Hello and welcome. You are watching Technia TV and I am Sangeeni Ghosh. Let's begin with the top headlines of the morning. Today, the first phase of the Padma Awards 2026 will be presented at Rashtrapati Bhavan, where veteran actor Dharmendra and former Jharkhand Chief Minister Shibu Soren will be honoured posthumously with the Padma Vibhushan. Special BJP programs are being organized across the country as Prime Minister Narendra Modi completes 12 years in office. A major events will be held in Mumbai in the presence of Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio will visit Agra and Jaipur today. After visiting the Taj Mahal, he is also expected to tour the historic Amer Fort. The Supreme Court will hear several important matters today, including the NEET paper leak case, waste management rules, and the Tushar Sharma death case. In major international news, reports suggest that the United States and Iran have agreed in principle to end the hostilities and reopen the Strait of Hormuz, although final approval is still pending. Apart from this, we will also keep an eye on the excitement surrounding the IPL 2026 playoffs, filmmakers Karan Johar's birthday, and the intense heat wave sweeping across the country with the beginning of Mahatapa. Let's begin the bulletin. The first Padma Award ceremony of 2026 will be held today at the Ganatantra Mandap in Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. President Draupadi Murmu will honour 66 distinguished personalities during the event. The awards include 2 Padma Vibhushan, 6 Padma Bhushan and 58 Padma Shri honours. Veteran actor Dharmendra and former Jharkhand Chief Minister Shibu Soren will receive the Padma Vibhushan posthumously. Several prominent personalities including R. Madhavan, Rohit Sharma, Harmanpreet Kaur and Savita Punia will be honoured with the Padma Shri award. The Bharatiya Janata Party will organize special events nationwide as Prime Minister Narendra Modi completes 12 years leading the central government. A major celebration has been planned in Mumbai where Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis will be present. Party workers will highlight the government's achievements and welfare initiatives among the public. The BJP has described the occasion as a celebration of development and people-centric governance. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio will visit Agra and Jaipur today. He is expected to arrive in Agra around 9 am and visit the Taj Mahal along with his wife. Later in the day, he will travel to Jaipur where he is likely to tour the Amer Fort and attend the cultural events. The visit is being considered significant in terms of strengthening India-US relations. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will visit Bikaner in Rajasthan today. His visit will focus on border security and strategies to prevent infiltration. Amit Shah is also scheduled to interact with the security personnel deployed along with the border. A high-level meeting with the security agencies has also been proposed to discuss strengthening security arrangements in border areas. Union Minister Piyush Goyal will leave for Canada today for trade-related discussions. The visit will focus on strengthening bilateral trade relations between the two countries. Special emphasis will be placed on boosting investment, technology partnerships and exports. Efforts will also be made to advance trade agreements between India and Canada. The visit is being seen as economically significant. The Supreme Court is set to hear several important cases today. The court will review waste management rules, including the proposal for segregation of household waste into 4 categories. The NEET paper leak case will also come up for hearing. The Tushar Sharma death case will be heard following the court's suo motu cognizance. Meanwhile, a special MP-MLA court will also hear the case related to Rahul Gandhi's alleged remarks about Lord Ram. A major development has emerged from Middle East. Reports suggest that the United States and Iran have agreed to end hostilities and reopen the Strait of Hormuz. However, final approval from US President Donald Trump and Iran's Supreme Leader Khamenei is still awaited. Donald Trump has stated that no decision will be rushed. The world is now closely watching the next step in this development. Karan Johar has delivered several blockbuster films to Hindi cinema over the years. He once believed that he was often mocked during his childhood for behaving like a girl. The filmmaker also shared that he fainted once due to nervousness before directing Amitabh Bachchan. Karan Johar is also known for being the only Indian director to have attended the Met Gala. The playoff lineup for IPL 2026 has been finalized. On May 26, Bengaluru will face Gujarat in Qualifier 1. On May 27, Hyderabad will take on Rajasthan in the eliminator match. Cricket fans are eagerly awaiting these high-voltage encounters as the race to final intensifies. Nautapa begins across the country today, bringing intense heat waves conditions. The meteorological department have issued heat wave alert for several regions. Brahmapuri in Maharashtra recorded the highest temperature in country at 47.2 degrees Celsius. Temperature in several cities of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh have crossed 45 degrees Celsius. Experts have advised people to avoid stepping out during afternoon hours and to stay hydrated. So, those were the top and most important stories at this hour. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Technia TV, bringing you the news that keeps you ahead. Namaskar.